XR. Oh, damn. Let's see if it still works. Okay, oh, no, it still works. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, you can see the corner. Let's try to break the camera. Oh, well, that was easy. It's a tiny crack on the camera, but it's still broken. I dropped it. Oh, starting to lose glass. I'm on my daily run with my iPhone. Oh no! Oh my god, it's still working, even though the side's like kind of broken. Oh, there's some glass. There's some more. Here's the phone. Still works. Oh, I missed it. How is that camera not cracked? I want it to be now. And it's still kind of working right there. Oh, there's the phone and it's still on. I did it. Now let's destroy the housing. See how much damage we can do to the back of this thing. The display. RIP iPhone XR.